Hi everyone, I am Datta and I am building this business from Vijayawada. My upline is Mr. Jagdish Reddy and my coach is Nagesh and Chitra and my mentor is Deepak Ketaki. In this video, I will explain Nutrilite history and farming practices. Coming to Nutrilite, it is a brand of minerals, vitamins and dietary supplements developed in 1934 by Carl F. Renborg, and later Amway bought a controlling interest in company in 1972 and took over complete ownership in 1974, and nearly 6,000 acres of farms are there in Nutrilite at present. And coming to the Nutrilite farming practices, it is completely an organic farming, and Nutrilite is the only global brand to grow, harvest, and process plants on its own certified organic farms. And Nutrilite grow their crops in accordance with nature. That is most beautiful thing in Nutrilite farming techniques. And one, Nutrilite felt that replenishing the soil rather than depleting its nutrients would ultimately produce better crops. Since better crops will give more benefit to the supplements what they are providing, and it uses natural methods to control harmful weeds and also insects and predators for controlling as an part of natural methods. And the Nutrilite farms follows a separate program for continually enhancing the soil with cover crops, green manure crops, and other naturally mined materials required for the crops to flourish. And they conduct annual soil test reports. So that means soil tests for determining the mined minerals and composites should be added to a balanced soil for to make a healthy ecosystem for all the living microorganisms and the earthworms to contribute their growth of the plants. In all these aspects, by all these advanced organic farmings, they are farming by organically, so we can enjoy the best whatever the supplements Nutrilite is offering for us. That's all.